You okay? You need a glass of water or coffee? I know it's a lot to take in.
I can't do it.
Of course you can.
No, no, you don't understand. I can't.
It's easy as ABC. All you have to do is give me what I want and you're in the clear.
Yeah, but it's all I have.
Had.
Do you know how long it's going to take me to rebuild? I've lost so much through all this.
That's nobody else's fault but your own. You came in here on a high horse and you expect me to feel sorry for you?
I thought we were friends.
We are. I didn't say we weren't. Did you say we weren't?
Why are you doing this then?
Desperate times call for desperate measures. And desperate is the right word I would use to describe the situation you are in.
I wouldn't be in this situation if it weren't for...
Josh! Just give him the railroad.